You live in diaspora or you are back in Africa and you have been seeing this lovely Asooke design that has been on the internet. You know how this Asooke patches kind of denim, linen pants and all that, and you've been wondering how you can go about making your own Asooke design without going to get the fabric. You know, the quickest way you can get your own pants made. I'm going to be showing it to you right now because I've done this in different color. Although I could get the fabrics and make them myself, but why go through the stress if you can actually do it the fastest way? What have I done? What I've done is I'm going to be putting the pictures of these beautiful pants that I made on the screen for you to see. Like, is 10 over 10, 10 over 10, absolutely 10 over 10. Okay, what have I done? What I've done is I went to the shopping mall and I got myself 100% linen, like 100% linen fabric. You know, if you live in the UK and you want to buy linen fabric, a yard of a meter, they said per meter, a meter of linen fabric in the UK can be as high as £15, £18, £20, depends on the website that you are ordering the fabric from. It depends on the website that you are ordering the fabric from. And you can't even make your own pants with a meter of this fabric. So you need to buy probably a meter and half or a meter and quarter and all that. And some of you might want to buy like 2 meters. That's like £30 already. You're already spending too much. If you're in the UK, you have to economize. You have to budget the way you spend your money. So that's why I'm giving you this tip, and it's going to save you a lot of money. So what have I done? I went to Marks and Spencer. I'm going to be showing you the logo, the label, sorry, for you to know that this is true. You see, Marks and Spencer, see, that's the label. That's the label in the Marks and Spencer. So I bought this linen pants, which is 100% linen fabric from Marks and Spencer. Is a pants here. You can see the pockets, and you can see the pockets at the back as well. So when I bought this pants, what I did was that it has double stitching on the side and it has a single stitch on the inner thigh of the pants. So I opened up the single stitch, cut out my Asooke fabric. This is just a sample. This is not part of the ones that I use. Just any sample of Asooke that you have, any Asooke pieces that you want to use. So I cut out my Asooke fabric and I made them in different patches and actually sewed them on my pants. You can see that different design. I have another color at the back as well. I have another color on the thigh on this side. You know, just to create something different. You can see that. So I put my Asooke patches. I sew it on my linen pants, then close back the inner area of the pants. My girl, you can do this on any fabric of your choice, be it linen, be it cotton, be it jean, be it denim, anything that you like. A lot of us, we even have so many denim jean in our wardrobe that you don't even know what to do with it. You can just spice it up and put in all these patches on it. If you don't have a sewing machine and you are thinking, I don't have a sewing machine, I can't go through the stress of going to a tailor, my dear, go to all these probably Sainsbury's or order from Amazon. Just order a needle and a thread. Cut the patches of Asooke that you want. Try to use your needle and thread to tack it on your jean. These are the things I do. When I was in university, before I learned how to sew clothes and all that, I used to use needle and thread to make a lot of designs on my clothes. And when you see them, you'll be like, wow, I love your top. Wow, I love your pants and all that. So you can see the pictures. You can see the pictures. Even these designs are available in jackets, in pants, in dresses. You know, all those jean dresses that you have, all those denim dresses that you have at home that you don't know what to do with them. Yes, you can add your Asooke to your denim material. All those fabric that you have in the wardrobe that you're even thinking of dashing them out, but you know that you still love those dresses. So you can just, you know, just revive them. Revive them. You don't need to dash everything out. Revive some of those fabric and revive them. You have something beautiful entirely that you can wear. So if you like this tip that I've given, please follow my channel, give it a thumbs up, and kindly drop a comment to encourage me. I need all the encouragement in the world. Thank you, and thank you, and thank you so much. Okay, so I've been able to do this now in different color. I have the black, I have the brown, and I have the white as well. See, when I marked my 40th birthday, this was what I wore. Yes, I made it myself. I made it myself, and I paired this up with a blazer. Like, the pictures were fire, fire, fire. So you can do this yourself. You don't need to break the bank to look good. Like, you don't need, like the song will say, you don't need a million to look this good. You don't need $1 million to look good. All you need to do is have common sense. Yes, have common sense. So instead of buying fabric, just go into the store, get the parts that you like, any design that you like, and just switch it up with your Asooke or whatever that you're adding to it. So thank you very much for watching my channel. Bye.